Hey, what's up guys? Gonna do another quick video here. I do not have the tow hitch on mine. I don't do a whole lot of towing, but I am gonna probably convince the wife that our next child needs to be a boat. I need a center console in this family. So what I'm trying to do is basically get the, I bought the Mabett tow hitch. So I'm gonna get that installed. I'll show you guys the instructions on how to do it. And then I'm also gonna show you how to wire. I've got the Curtis wiring that goes to the LED lights here on the Bronco, and I'll show you how I wire those in. So it'll probably be a two-part video, but let's go ahead and get this installed. So not bad quality. The welds look fine, the powder coating looks good. A couple little areas that just have some spots, but you know, honestly, I'm not gonna be doing tons of towing with this, but I think the quality looks really good. To remove the bumper, we're gonna use an 18 millimeter on these two. I wanna use a 13 millimeter on this bolt, There's one back here, one here. You've got three more here. These two are 18, and then your final one is over there. I'm gonna pull that, and this is just a little plastic piece that when I pull this down, it pops right out. We'll put that back in when we're done. Okay, once you get these bolts off, again, there's one back here. We've got these two off. Then you're gonna have on each side one more bolt up here. All right, so we can pull the bumper back a little bit, but before we do, what you wanna do is come around here. You wanna push this in here and slide this out. Make sure you come around and do the same thing on the other side. Pull that off. So this is what you're left with. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the 4 bolts that were provided, and we're gonna attach to these 4 areas. Show you what that looks like. So we're gonna take our bumper hitch, or tow hitch, gonna slide it into place, and then we're gonna line up those 4 holes. Add a lock washer onto this. Put all 4 in. And then we're gonna tighten these down with a number 17. And then I'm gonna use my hand tool to just torque everything down. Now we need to add this plate into place. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the piece provided. We wanna slide this on, just like so. And we're gonna take our plate, we're gonna line this up, and then we're gonna use the screws that were provided to bolt it on. Use your Allen tool to tighten these 2 down. All right, so we'll put this bumper back on. Now, make sure you go ahead and attach these back over here, both sides. Attach this bolt, put these 2 back in. Got 1 back here, 2 here. Come around and do the same thing on this side. And here we've got it installed. And in the next video, what I'm gonna do is show you guys how to wire the lighting off the rear tail lights. And now I do have the LED lights, so it'll be a little bit different kit, but I'll put a link to both.